Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Ink Refill Kit is probably one of the most practical solutions for anyone who frequently prints with an HP printer. These kits offer a budget-friendly alternative to constantly buying new cartridges, allowing you to refill your existing ones and save money in the long run. Plus, they're a great way to reduce waste and contribute to a more sustainable printing practice, making them a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Number 5. Aomya Ink Refill Kit for HP Inkjet Printers. Introducing the Aomya Ink Refill Kit. This kit is designed to save you money by refilling your existing cartridges. It's the perfect solution for cost-effective printing. This refill kit is compatible with a wide range of HP inkjet printers. It works seamlessly with HP 61, 60, 62, 63, and many more. Ensure you check the compatibility before use. The dye-based ink produces vivid, true-to-life prints. It matches or exceeds original specifications for color accuracy and brightness. You'll get premium image quality every time. With a total volume of 400 milliliters, this kit offers significant savings. It's ideal for everyday printing needs, whether at home or in a small business. You can refill the cartridges easily. The ink is designed to prevent printhead clogging. It ensures smooth and reliable printing, offering the best print quality. The high-purity ink guarantees consistent performance. The product is ISO 9001 approved. It comes with a 24-hour professional service center. Contact us within 12 months for any after-sales issues. What we like. This kit produces incredibly vibrant prints, ensuring your photos and documents look their best. It's also designed to save you money with its large ink volume. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable solution for everyday printing, this is the one for you. What people say. Being able to refill my printer cartridges myself has been such a game changer. The cartridges my printer uses do not have holes in them, so I used a drill bit slightly bigger than the needle included in the kit to drill a hole in each chamber, which was very easy to do. I peeled the stickers off almost all the way, but not quite, so that when I'm done refilling, all I have to do to cover the holes back up is make sure the area around them is free from ink and stick the stickers back down. Number 4. Ink Refill Kit for HP Printers. This is a universal ink refill kit, compatible with a wide range of HP printer models. It includes everything you need to refill your ink cartridges, saving you money and reducing waste. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution for your printing needs. The kit is designed for various HP ink cartridges, including models like 950, 951, 60, 61, and many more. This kit works with refillable cartridges, CISS, and other cartridge types. Check the product description to see if it fits your printer. The kit comes with 5 bottles of dye ink, including 2 black, 1 cyan, 1 magenta, and 1 yellow. The ink delivers vibrant colors and clear printouts. It ensures your documents and photos look their best. The refill kit includes 4 syringes, refill tips, an instruction manual, and sealing plugs. It provides all the tools necessary for a smooth and easy refilling process. It makes refilling your cartridges simple and mess-free. By using this refill kit, you can significantly reduce your printing costs. It allows you to refill your cartridges multiple times, saving you money compared to buying new cartridges. It's a smart choice for both home and office use. What we like. This kit provides a complete set of ink colors, ensuring you have everything you need for diverse printing tasks. Refilling is a breeze, saving you time and effort. If you are looking to reduce your printing cost, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Each HP 962XL cartridge holds about 10 milliliters of ink, which is the volume of the syringes provided. However, if you can do more, just go like 1 milliliter at a time until you start that little bit of ink overflow. The included syringes make the process clean and easy, and use gloves and some kind of paper or plastic bag to catch any ink. The ink comes with the necessary tools for the task, including the green parts to suck out the air bubbles. Number 3. WOKOK Ink Refill Kit for HP Ink Cartridges. Are you tired of constantly buying new ink cartridges? This kit is designed to refill your existing cartridges, saving you money and reducing waste. It's a simple and effective solution for your printing needs. This refill kit is compatible with a wide range of HP ink cartridges, including 67, 63, 65, 61, 950, and 902 series. It works with refillable cartridges, CISS, and more. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits your printer. The kit includes 5 bottles of 100 ml dye ink in black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. You'll also receive syringes, refill tips, an instruction manual, sealing plugs, gloves, and an ink suction clamp. Everything you need is in the box. Refilling your cartridges with this kit is a more economical choice. It allows you to reuse your existing cartridges, significantly reducing your printing costs. It's a smart way to save money without sacrificing print quality. The WOKOK ink is made with professional technology to prevent printhead clogging and corrosion. This ensures a smooth printing experience and high-quality results. It provides vivid and sharp print quality. With this ink, you can expect clear and vibrant printouts every time. The ink delivers sharp text and vivid images, making it ideal for both documents and photos. Enjoy the best print experience. What we like. The ink in this kit is made with premium quality, ensuring your prints are sharp and clear. It's designed to prevent printhead clogging, offering you the best print experience. If you like high-quality prints without the hassle of clogged printheads, consider this kit. What people say. The ink refill kit worked perfectly. The kit comes with everything you need to refill your cartridges. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. Number 2. Aomya HP Black Ink Refill Kit. Introducing the Aomya Black Ink Refill Kit, designed for HP Inkjet printers. This kit includes everything you need to refill your cartridges, ensuring high-quality prints every time. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution for your printing needs. The kit comes with a 250 ml bottle of premium black dye ink. This ink is specially formulated to deliver vibrant colors and sharp text. It's perfect for both everyday documents and high-quality images. Each kit includes a syringe and needle for easy and mess-free refilling. A pair of gloves is also provided to keep your hands clean. This ensures a smooth and hassle-free experience. This refill kit is compatible with all HP Inkjet printer refillable ink cartridges and CIS systems. It's a versatile solution for a wide range of HP printers. You can easily refill your cartridges and continue printing without interruption. Enjoy premium image quality with this ink. It's designed to produce prints that are rich in color and detail. The ink ensures your photos and documents look their best. The product is ISO 9001 and CE certified, ensuring its quality and reliability. It also comes with a 1-month warranty service. You can print with confidence, knowing that it's backed by quality assurance. What we like. With a generous 250 ml of black ink, this kit is perfect for those with high-volume printing needs. It's ideal for premium image quality printing, ensuring your documents look professional. If you have a lot of printing to do, and you value quality, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Perfect print quality. Super easy to refill yourself. After refilling the cartridge with this product, it's printing beautifully. Number 1. FNK 6-in-1 Ink Refill Tools for HP. Introducing the FNK 6-in-1 Refill Tools, designed for various HP ink cartridges. This kit provides everything you need to refill your cartridges, saving you money and reducing waste. It's a convenient and cost-effective solution for your printing needs. The kit includes an ink cartridge holder, a hand drill, syringes, ink pads, stickers, and gloves. Please note that the inks are not included. This comprehensive set ensures a smooth and efficient refilling process. This refill kit is compatible with a wide range of HP ink cartridges, including 67XL, 667XL, 662XL, and many more. Check the full list to ensure it works with your specific cartridge model. It is designed to work with many HP Inkjet printers. The refill kit works with refillable cartridges, CISS systems, remanufactured cartridges, and even original OEM cartridges. It's a versatile solution for all your HP printing needs. We offer a replacement or refund for any defects caused by our factory. If you encounter any issues, please contact us within 15 days of receiving the product. The ink has a shelf life of 36 months. Refer to the included pictures for detailed instructions on how to refill your ink cartridges. The process is straightforward, ensuring you can easily refill your cartridges at home. This kit makes it easy to keep printing. What we like. This kit comes with a set of 6-in-1 refill tools, making the refilling process easy. It is compatible with a wide range of HP ink cartridges. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-use solution, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. The ink refill kit worked perfectly. The kit included everything needed to refill the cartridges. The instructions were clear and easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.